Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Beko washing machine, quite a modern one. I think it's 3 or 4 years old. It's a WX842430W, but the advice I'm going to give you today may apply to many different washing machines. I've put it onto a spin cycle. It's got water stuck in it. It's flashing spin, and it's just stopped. It's been like that for about 10 minutes now. The door's locked, I hope, so it doesn't spill the water out. It's got a lot of water in it, and I have a feeling, because it works intermittently, and it was pumping out at the start of this spin cycle, I think there's something stuck down in the lint filter, which is down here at the bottom. Now, if you're doing this inside, and I am inside at the moment, you're going to have to deal with all that water, and it's going to come out of there. There's probably 5 or 10 litres of water in that. It's going to come out through this little hose at the bottom that I'll show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move the washing machine over here outside this door where there's a drain, so it won't make a mess. But if you're inside, just bear in mind that a lot of water is going to come out, and you'll see that now in a second. I'll get the machine outside. So what have we got? Spin light flashing, stopped full of water. We've got a problem. It might be flashing up with an error code, but the symptom is it's full of water and it's not working. It's probably something stuck down in that filter, and it's an intermittent fault, so it could be something really small like a hair clip, but I guess I'll find out in a minute. Stay with me. So I've got it over the drain, and when the water comes out it'll just spill into that drain. You need to get in here, so a fingernail may do it, but I'm just using a screw. You could use a screwdriver or a kitchen knife or something like that as well. And there's a little hose in here that you can pull out, and that will drain the water into a bowl or something. It's easier than putting down a load of blankets, because like I say, as you know, there's going to be a lot of water coming out of here, but because I'm already outside, I'm just going to open it, and here's water coming out. Lots of it. Now, I didn't notice anything there, and it's all gone into the drain. We'll get a good look inside once all this water's drained out. You can see there's quite a lot of water there. So now that it's flowing out, and it'll keep coming because the laundry that's in there is damp. Is there something blocking that blade? I don't know yet. Let's reach in. The water's pretty clean because it's been doing a few washes recently. Let's just reach in there. That propeller feels pretty good. It's spinning freely, so I don't know, is there anything there? Just reaching around into the side. It doesn't feel like there's anything blocking it. So I'm not sure what the problem is. Nothing came out, but of course, if it did, I'm just having a look in this drain. I don't see any hair clips or anything like that. The leaves were already in there. So let's put this back in and try it again and see if that's cured it, but typically I thought there might be something obvious in there. So I've got it back in and installed again. I'll turn it off and put it back on to rinse. That's where I wanted it. I'll try it again. I'll come back to you if it's working. It should fill up with water. Well, no, it's pumping out first, but there maybe is no water in it now. So I've got it on the rinse again. It should take on some water and then spit it out again. I'll come back to it when it's done. 9 times out of 10, that'll fix it. So that seems to have done it. We're onto the spin. It's moving along nicely. Lots of water's drained out of it. I think that's a success. There you go. That's how to clean the lint filter in this Beko washing machine. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.